Hey guys, this is my broken Sniper 7. There is some few issues that I wanna share to you guys. First, after 3 or 4 times of flight, one of the motor is broken. As you can see, this is brushless motor, and our motor and the what is called a rotor or core, motor core on the middle, I soldered together, and I applied some super glue on it to keep it together, because it was loose. So whether the motor is spinning, the inner core and the propeller is not spinning. So that's the first problem, but I did solder it, and now it's connected and spin good right now. And the second is the camera. Camera is, I don't know, I can say it's so bright, overexposure, that I can hardly see from my FPV goggles. There is definitely something wrong with the brightness or something. So I just used this camera a couple of times. I just threw it away. I changed that with this Easin TX03. This worked really well for me. Another issue is the antenna. This is the original antenna, just piece of wires. At first, I flew mine just about 10 or 20 feet away. You can imagine it's not really going far with original antenna, piece of wire here. Then I changed the antenna with a phone wire. This is solid wire, and it works really well. I can fly over 100 meters with this antenna, and after about 10 or 15 flight times, this what is happening. Let me just plug the battery. This is just 1S battery. See that? It start making funny noise. LED not blinking. Just one LED, red LED, blinking randomly and keep making funny noise. the Sniper 7 is fly really good, really stable. You can feel it just like fly a bigger quad actually. But there's so many issues in here. I think just I can say low quality.